This Makita 3/4-inch planer model delivers power, cutting capacity, and ease of use. It is ideal for professional construction framing, window and door installation, and fine woodworking. This features a 7.5 amp motor that delivers more output power, with a 2-blade cutter head and 16,000 RPM for increased stock removal. This is equipped with double-edged carbide blades for added performance and can plane up to 3/4 inches wide and 5/32 deep in a single pass. The rigid die-cast aluminum housing with all ball bearing construction is engineered for long tool life and supports the planer drum for increased durability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ease of use features. This weighs only 7.3 pounds for a high power-to-weight ratio, with an ergonomically centered balance and rubberized front and rear handles for more comfortable operation. The spring-loaded stand elevates the base to protect the blades and workpiece. The chip ejection can be directed to either side of the tool. The depth adjustment knob features an easy-to-read scale with click stops and 0.1 millimeters increments for precision planning. And the front base features 3 chamfering groove options, approximately 1.4 millimeters, 3 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. Additional ease of use features include a conveniently located lock-on button for continuous operation. Number 2. Engineered for framing and woodworking. This is engineered for professional construction framing, window and door installation, and fine woodworking. This is just another example of Makita's commitment to innovative technology and best-in-class engineering. Number 3. About Makita's power tools. Makita delivers precision, accuracy, capacity, and innovation to woodworkers. Makita has a full range of miter saws, jigsaws, circular saws, routers, planers, sanders, nailers and staplers, blades, compact cordless drills and impacts, and more. Makita's woodworking solutions are engineered for pro contractors, for use in high production settings and in home shops. Number 4. Planes up to 3/4 inches wide and 5/32 deep in a single pass. Number 5. 2-blade cutter head with 16,000 RPM delivers a smooth finish and fast stock removal. Number 6. Chip ejection can be directed to either side of the tool for convenience. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.